Ever wondered what form gold would take if it existed in a single atom state? Today we delve into the enigmatic world of monoatomic gold, a substance that has captured the curiosity and fascination of alchemy enthusiasts and scientists alike all over the globe. The concept of monoatomic gold is as intriguing as it is elusive. Imagine gold, a precious metal we all know and love, but in a form that's not easily recognizable. Stripped down to a single atom, the structure of gold undergoes a transformation so potent, it's almost like witnessing an alchemical miracle. This monoatomic form of gold is not your everyday element. It's a different beast altogether, a state where the gold atom is not bound to any other. This unique form of gold, also known as ORMEs, orbitally rearranged monatomic elements, or white powder gold, has been the subject of intense debate and speculation. Its existence straddles the fine line between science and the mystical, with claims of its extraordinary properties causing quite a stir in various circles. From alleged spiritual enlightenment to purported superconductivity, the list of its supposed attributes is as long as it is controversial. The allure of monoatomic gold lies not just in its unusual state, but also in the mystery shrouding its creation. How does one take a shiny chunk of gold and transform it into a substance that defies our understanding of the material world? This process, steeped in both science and lore, is as captivating as the substance itself. The story of monoatomic gold is not just about an element in an unusual state. It's a tale that intertwines physics, chemistry, and a dash of the mystical, a story that challenges our understanding of the world around us. It's a journey into the heart of alchemy, where the lines between the tangible and the ethereal blur, where science meets the mystical. So how do you transform gold into its monoatomic form? Buckle up as we unravel this intriguing process. Before we delve into the process, it's worth understanding alchemy, the ancient art from which monoatomic gold originates. Hailing from time immemorial, alchemy was the precursor to modern chemistry. It was shrouded in mysticism and a profound quest for universal truths. Alchemists were not merely trying to convert base metals into gold. They were on a metaphysical journey, seeking the philosopher's stone, a symbol of perfection and enlightenment. Now, where does monoatomic gold fit into this? Well, it's believed to be the physical manifestation of the philosopher's stone. This substance, also known as ORMEs, or orbitally rearranged monatomic elements, has been tied to tales of levitation, superconductivity, and even immortality. Alchemists quested for it, believing it to be the key to unlocking humanity's highest potential. With that backdrop, it's time to dive into the method of making monoatomic gold. Creating monoatomic gold is no child's play, but with careful steps, it's achievable. Now, let's delve into the intriguing process of creating monoatomic gold. Our journey starts with two potent substances, hydrochloric and nitric acid. These are not your everyday kitchen ingredients, mind you. They're strong, corrosive substances needing utmost caution during use. The combination of these two acids in a specific ratio gives birth to a concoction known as aqua regia. The name itself sounds like something out of an alchemist's book, doesn't it? Aqua regia, Latin for royal water, is a formidable liquid. It's one of the few substances that can dissolve gold, a metal known for its incredible resistance to corrosion. The name royal water is indeed apt, for only a solution of such potency could dare to challenge the king of metals. Now you might wonder, why do we need to dissolve gold? Well, this is a crucial step in the creation of monoatomic gold. By dissolving the gold, we break it down to its atomic level. This is where the term monoatomic comes from. Mono, meaning single, and atomic, referring to atoms. So, monoatomic gold is essentially gold in its atomic form. Once the gold is dissolved in the aqua regia, we move on to the next step. The solution is carefully heated to evaporate the acids, leaving behind only the gold atoms. But be warned, this process is not as simple as boiling a pot of water. It requires precision, controlled temperature, and above all, patience. Now, don't get too excited just yet. While we've made some progress, it's important to remember that we're still in the initial stages. We've dissolved the gold and managed to isolate the atoms, but we're far from having our monoatomic gold. this is just the beginning. The process gets more complicated and intriguing. So buckle up and stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of alchemy in our next segment. As we continue our journey, the process of making monoatomic gold becomes even more fascinating. In the alchemical world, precision is paramount, and patience is not just a virtue but a necessity. The steps we've covered so far are just the beginning. Now we delve deeper into the process where the magic truly begins. The solution we've prepared, laden with gold particles, is now ready to undergo a series of filtrations. This is a meticulous process, one that requires a keen eye and steady hand. The solution is passed through a series of filters, each finer than the last. This process is repeated until the solution is as clear as the purest water, free of all physical impurities. Next, we introduce distilled water into the mix. The use of distilled water is essential here, as it is free of minerals and impurities that could interfere with the transformation of gold. The distilled water is added slowly, drop by drop, into the solution, stirring continuously to ensure a homogeneous mix. Following this comes the addition of sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. This might seem like an ordinary kitchen ingredient, but in this context, it plays a crucial role. The sodium bicarbonate reacts with the solution, causing a shift in the pH levels. This reaction triggers the transformation of metallic gold into its monoatomic state. Every step in this process is carried out with the utmost care and precision. There's no room for haste or guesswork. The transformation of gold into its monoatomic state is a slow dance of science and alchemy, requiring a balance of knowledge, skill, patience, and respect for the elements at play. The process is far from over. As we move forward, the gold undergoes even more transformations. This journey into the heart of monoatomic gold continues, revealing more secrets and wonders of alchemy. So hold on to your seats as we delve deeper into the mysteries of this enigmatic element. As we reach the final steps, the magic of alchemy truly comes to life. The process of creating monoatomic gold is not merely a scientific endeavor, it's an art, a dance between elements, temperatures, and time. Now, after having carefully prepared our gold, we dive into the most critical phase of the process, the heating and cooling phases. These stages are not just about applying heat or cold, they are about understanding the delicate balance between the two, a dance of fire and ice. The heating phase begins with a precise increase in temperature. Here, we're not just warming up our gold, we're transforming it. As the heat penetrates the gold, it begins to change at a molecular level, breaking down its atomic structure. This phase requires patience and a careful eye, as the gold should not reach a boiling point. Instead, it should simmer, gently breaking down over time. Once the gold has undergone this transformation, it's time for the cooling phase. This is not merely a process of letting the gold cool down. It is a stage of careful, controlled reduction in temperature. The aim here is not to shock the gold into a state of cold, but to guide it gently, allowing it to restructure itself, to reform, to become something new. And then, the moment we've all been waiting for arrives. As the temperature drops, the gold transforms into a white powder. This is no ordinary powder, this is monoatomic gold. It's not just the gold that has changed, it's become a whole new element with properties and potentials that are truly astounding. And voila, you have created monoatomic gold. But remember, this process is not just about the product, but the journey too. It's about understanding the delicate dance between elements, the intricate balance of temperatures, and the magic that lies within the process of transformation. It's about alchemy in its purest, most profound form. Creating monoatomic gold is an intricate process, one that takes patience, precision, and a touch of alchemical fascination. We've journeyed through the enigma of this element, exploring its roots in the ancient art of alchemy and its significance in the quest for spiritual and physical transformation. We've unraveled the concept of monoatomic gold, a substance that exists in a unique single-atom state, and its potential implications on our understanding of matter and energy. We've delved into the step-by-step process of its creation, a meticulous procedure that requires not just chemical know-how, but also a deep appreciation for the delicate balance of nature's forces. We've seen how the production of monoatomic gold, like the alchemical pursuits of old, merges science with a touch of magic, challenging our perceptions of the possible. Monoatomic gold, a result of alchemical art, is a testament to the wonders of science and the enduring allure of ancient wisdom. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.